Hello, Salim. I'm Mulder from Kazakhstan. I'm filming and it's snowing. How wonderful is it? It's November now and autumn is coming to its end and winter is coming. I'm excited about it. How do you feel today? How do you think? How old I am? It's not a secret. I am 37. What habits make me feel wonderful? Taking care of myself. Taking care of my hair, skin, health. I take supplements such as omega-3, 6, 9, coenzyme, herbal supplements. They strengthen my nervous system, enhance cardiovascular system and digestion. I am now less irritated and I feel more energetic. Especially during winter, I try to eat more fruits and vegetables, also good for general health. If you want to build good habits, start with small adjustments. Taking small steps helps you start good habits step by step. I have a video about building good habits, you can watch it. Second, active movement, such as the exercise, yoga, sports, walking outdoors. As for me, I'm a busy mom, so I haven't done exercise for 1 year and now I move a lot by doing housework, routinely cooking, looking after my children. I walk to stores, to my daughter's school to pick her up. Third, cooking and baking. I try to cook healthy food at home. Lately, I bake more at home because home baking is choice number one for me because you know what ingredients go into it. I eat less fast food, but sometimes I can't afford to eat pizza ordered from my favorite pizza place, and cup of coffee. 3 or 4 times a week I drink a cup of coffee and it gives me more energy. I like its taste. Fourth, taking care of my loved ones who are my family, friends. I have 3 children. My oldest daughter is 7 and she's turning 8 soon. My second son is 4. My baby daughter is 1 year and 3 months. She makes me laugh a lot. Yes, taking care of someone is not an easy process, but it's a rewarding process. So I love them and they love me in return. So it also makes me feel wonderful. I laugh a lot and smile a lot. I have a good sense of humor and I love like-minded people with a good sense of humor too. And I try to smile, laugh a lot with my family, with my spouse, with my best friend and my children. As I told in my previous video, smiling improves your mood and reduces stress. Hobbies. I try to find time for my hobbies every day, like listening to good music. It can be relaxing, calm, cheerful. It depends on my mood. When I'm sad, I tend to listen to sad music. It also helps me feel better. I love reading different articles on the internet, and my daughter started reading fairy tales, which she takes from library, and I am happy for that. I'm also going to take paper books to read in the future, because by reading paper books you just feel wonderful. When I'm free, I love knitting, sewing, and also shopping. I love shopping. I know most women love shopping. Shopping gives me new energy, new ideas, and helps me get rid of negative thoughts, sadness. I am a new content creator, so continue watching up till the end and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. It makes me smile and happy. I love watching YouTube. I get inspiration from my favorite content creators, and they still inspire me for new ideas. My family and my favorite content creators helped me start my own YouTube channel. It's set up in 2015 and nothing else. I had no idea how to start, what to talk about, what title should I give to each video, and how to put online, how to film, how to edit. I didn't know anything about it. I'm in the learning process. I'm an internal learner. I'm not a native speaker of English, but English is career and passion for me, so all my videos are in English. I have 2 channels. First channel is about positivity and values. On second channel, I teach English and Kazakh, because Kazakh is my first language. So these habits make me feel wonderful, stay in tune and useful. In conclusion, what can I say? Be yourself and choose those habits which make you feel wonderful. Thank you for watching. I will film more in my upcoming videos. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up. Bye.